Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and pinning Volume Master so it stays visible. Once done, open the tab that has the audio you want to adjust and click the extension icon. You do this now because Volume Master controls per tab output, not system sound. That distinction matters if you want to silence one video while keeping others audible. Make sure the extension shows the tab name. If not, refresh the page so the extension detects the audio source. You drag the slider to change volume immediately, and you can push it beyond 100% up to 600% for clearer playback when content is quiet. If you need precise numbers, click the numeric readout and type the exact percent or use arrow keys for 1% steps. Use the lock or per tab controls to keep levels stable across reloads. Remember why. This preserves your mix of tabs, so one loud ad won't blast while a lecture stays soft. You finish by testing playback across the tabs you adjusted and making minor tweaks so everything blends well. If audio sounds distorted after boosting, reset the slider to 100% or use the extension's reset option, because clipping often indicates overamplification. If problems persist, disable other audio enhancers or refresh the page. Conflicting extensions or cached audio can cause artifacts. Finally, make a habit of checking levels when switching content so you avoid sudden volume jumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.